Zepto co-founder and CEO Adit Palicha has alleged that the CFO of a rival quick commerce firm is trying to run a smear campaign against his company. In a LinkedIn post on late Sunday night, Palicha claimed that the executive reached out to investors with unsubstantiated claims, circulated inaccurate financial data via sources close to journalists, and even paid social media bots to spread a false narrative. Now, Palicha added, and I quote, "This episode is below the stature expected of the CFO of a high quality company and makes it obvious that they are starting to get nervous about how fast Zepto's EBITDA is improving." End quote. Palicha says he's open to aggressive competition but not falsehoods. Now, in the LinkedIn post, Palicha outlined some business metrics, which he said is him responding to the pointers upfront in case any media stories or social media posts go out in the week with inaccurate information. Now, Palicha claims that Zepto's gross order value in May 2025 hit 2,400 crore rupees, which is 3 times higher than last year. Now, he says EBITDA improved by 20 percentage points in 5 months and also made a big claim that he expects a vast majority of its dark stores to be fully EBITDA positive and overall company EBITDA and operating cash flow to be within a few hundred basis points of break even by the next quarter. Now, there's no doubt that competition in India's quick commerce space has been intensifying both among existing players and with new players like Flipkart and Amazon entering the fray. Both Blinkit and Instamart also alluded to this as losses expanded in Q4. Now, Blinkit said that this is visible in its lack of margin expansion, which could have been higher if not for heightened competitive intensity. It also made clear that it will aggressively look to grow market share in this situation and will not let any short-term profitability goals come in the way of that. Swiggy Instamart too said that the competitive intensity is likely to remain high in the near term and pushed its contribution margin break-even timelines to 3 to 5 quarters from now. One thing is clear, competition is as intense as ever. But is that turning India's 10-minute delivery race into a street fight? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.